Hello guys and welcome back to another video tutorial from my YouTube channel, that is Vipin Sharma Biology Tutorials. I have just changed my channel name from Biology at Your Fingertips to Vipin Sharma Biology Tutorials due to some circumstances. So I hope that you will become used to this name, this new name. So today we are going to study NCERT table number 9.2 of 12th class, which is very important and it is requested by many people that I have to make a video on this, that is table number 9.2. So in this particular table, firstly we are going to take an overview of this table so that we would be able to understand that what are the tricks had been made for. So in this particular topic we have to read about three crops, their varieties as well as their insect pests. What are the different pests which just spread some kind of diseases in some crops. So what are these crops? The number one first crop is brassica, which is also known as rapeseed mustard. Its variety that you have to learn is Pusa Gaurav. Gaurav is a very common name in India, so we can easily memorize it. So brassica, which is also known as rapeseed mustard, is having a variety that is Pusa Gaurav. Pusa is common in all of these. Pusa Gaurav, Pusa Sem 2, Sem 3, Pusa Savani, Pusa A4. So we don't have to emphasize on Pusa. We just have to emphasize on the name of varieties which are, after coming after Pusa word. So the insect pest for brassica is aphid. The second crop is flat bean, whose varieties are Pusa Sem 2 and Pusa Sem 3. And the insect pest for flat bean are jassids, aphids and fruit borers. After that, the third and the most common vegetable of India, that is okra, or we can say bhindi, whose varieties are Pusa Savani and Pusa A4. And the insect pest for okra, that is bhindi, are shoot and fruit borers. This is very important from examination point of view. So I have just made a trick to memorize all these things, that is crop variety as well as their insect pest, and just converted that trick into a simple sentence so that you can easily memorize all these things. So now let's move towards the tricks. The number one trick is Gaurav and Brahmi are rappers. You know very well about Brahmi. Brahmi is a very good comedian of South Indian movies, and Gaurav is a very common name. So Gaurav and Brahmi are rappers. Gaurav and Brahmi are rappers. Gaurav simply means Pusa Gaurav, which is a variety of brassica, and that is AD, starting with A and ending with D, simply means aphid. That is starting with A and ending with D. So and means aphid. Brahmi simply means brassica, that is BRA is common here. Brassica are wrappers. Wrappers simply means rapeseed or rapeseed mustard, which is the another name of brassica. So Gaurav and Brahmi are wrappers. That is Pusa Gaurav having insect pest aphid. Brahmi simply means brassica, which is the crop, and rapeseed mustard is the another name of brassica. The second trick is for flat bean. So the trick is very interesting. Mr. Bean just passed 2-3 semesters and got fruit. What kind of fruit it is? It is the fruit of hard work, mehnat ka phal. So Mr. Bean just passed 2-3 semesters and got fruit, where bean simply means flat bean, which is the crop, just means jassid, which is the insect pest for flat bean, past means pusa, we have considered pusa here, 2-3 sems, that is 2-3 semesters simply means sem 2 and sem 3, which are the different varieties of brassica, and got fruit, and which is present in the first trick also, where and means aphid. In this particular trick, the and also means aphid. So aphid is the insect pest for flat bean and brassica also. So aphid, and fruit means fruit borer, which is the another insect pest. So Mr. Bean just passed 2-3 semesters and got fruit, simply means flat bean, jassid, pusa sem 2, sem 3, fruit borer and aphid. The third trick is for okra, that is bhindi, and we have to remember both these names, okra as well as bhindi. So I have just made a trick for it. Savani, which is a girl, Savani bide, okra, fruity and A4 sheets. She is also a medical aspirant, so she has only three works to do. One is to eat well, another one is to drink well, and the third one is to learn well or to read well. So Pusa Savani, Savani means Pusa Savani, bide, which includes B and D, simply means bhindi, Okra simply means okra itself. So she has got three things: okra to eat, that is bhindi; fruity to drink, fruity simply means fruit borer; and A4 size sheets, that is pusa A4. And sheets, when we just remove e from this particular word and put o, then it will form shoot. So Savani buyed okra, fruity and A4 sheets. Here I have marked cross on and because aphids are not included in the insect pest of bhindi. So Pusa Savani, bide means bhindi, okra means okra, fruity means fruit borer, A4 means Pusa A4 which is a variety of bhindi, and sheets mean shoot borer which is the insect pest for bhindi. So these are the three tricks to understand the whole table. We are going to revise it once more. So the first trick is for Brassica, that is Gaurav and Brahmi are wrappers, where Gaurav means Pusa Gaurav, and means aphid, Brahmi means Brassica, and wrappers means rapeseed mustard which is the another name of Brassica. The second trick is Mr. Bean just passed 2-3 semesters and got fruit, where beans means Mr. Bean or flat bean, just means Jessid, past means Pusa, 2-3 semesters means Sem 2 and Sem 3 which are the different varieties of flat bean, and means aphid simply, and fruit means fruit borer. The third trick is to learn the okra, that is bhindi. Savani buyed okra, fruity and A4 size sheets. So Savani means Pusa Savani, bide means bhindi, okra means okra itself, fruity means fruit borer, A4 means Pusa A4 which is a variety, and sheets means shoot borer which is a kind of insect pest in okra or bhindi. So these are the tricks for memorizing table 9.2 of 12th class. For more information regarding any competitive examination, national level entrance examination in which biology is a part, you can refer to my page, that is Vipin Sharma Biology Blogs. You can ask any query there. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you really like this video, then hit like button, and if you are new, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much again for watching this video guys.